guys, welcome back. We have another exciting video for you today. A lot of you have been asking us to show you how to properly use white lashes, and it is exactly what we're going to do today. So if you want to learn more about white lashes and see how I apply them to my clients, please keep watching. For today's video. I really hope you found this information helpful. If you want to find out where you can purchase high quality white lashes, the link will be in the description box. And as always, like, share and subscribe. See you next time!